My name is Luana. I'm currently a director of product design at a company called Zenput. I've been a product design engineer for over 15 years. I started out my career actually working in hardware design. I designed biomedical devices mostly for Welch Allyn, and then I moved more into agency work, doing things for Bose and Kodak and a couple of baby product brands. And around the time that I started consulting, the app market came out for the iPhone, and I had more clients approach me about how I could integrate all of the learnings that we have around human behavior and consumer desire into like a software space. So that's what really started my bridge into UX and UI. I've been doing that for 11 years, and for the last 6 years, I've been a design leader in different capacities for e-commerce companies, enterprise SaaS. I did a little bit of financial tech, oil and gas, and now I'm in a food operations industry. I attended a conference where somebody was talking about design sprints, and then a lot of the Q&A afterwards was around like, okay, well, what do you do afterwards? Like you experience these highs as a team for like the 5 days you're running the sprint. You have a lot of alignment that you feel during that. And then you have like this great win, like after testing with your customers. And it's like, okay, well, now what do we do? How do we break that down for engineering? How do we actually get that into distilled requirements? How do we prioritize like the feedback that we got from the design sprint? So all of those things I developed tools for, and actually at that conference where people were asking questions, I raised my hand and started talking about some things that I did. And people came up to me afterwards and said, like, hey, can you tell us more? So that's when I realized that there was a desire or need for UX leads or anybody kind of in management or leadership that's approaching design ops to really consider how do we actually translate all of the wins or the things that come out of a design thinking process into Agile. There's a lot of different ways that I've seen this done over the years, and this has changed even rapidly in the time that I initially wrote this abstract. So in 2019, my world looked a lot different because I was able to do design sprints in person. We were all in an office together. We were able to achieve like a lot of alignment together. And over the last year and a half, I've had to be even more challenged with these tools and making sure that they work remotely, making sure that I can still have those levels of alignment and achievement together and make us feel like we're working on or working towards like a North Star together, even for folks like outside of design. So I've tested this out and I've made sure that it works in those situations. It's been battle tested, and I'm really excited to share those tools with everybody.